Guys, so I'm at the bathroom right now. That place is so crowded. There are so many people. It's my hair shot. But anyways, I'm having so much fun. Okay, so this is my outfit. I wore a crop top. Okay, I wore a crop top, mom jeans and shoes. My bag is inside. So yeah. So my friend is coming over. We're filming together. I think he's here. So I'm going to get him. See? That you're black. Guy, you're black. Oh my god, I thought it was not possible for you to get darker, but it has happened. So, I just finished filming a video with Emeka. I don't think I've even showed you guys himself, but see what Emeka did to my face! I asked this boy, if a woman walks up to you like this, will you even respond to her hi? Baba said no. But yeah, see how he turned somebody's daughter. 9 months. Somebody's 23rd of August. See what he turned her to. Yes, God. I am meeting. Say hi. You are laughing. There's no joke around here. Nobody's cracking.
You are joke right now.
You're very stupid. Guys, see the master behind the piece.
They forced me. This was domestic violence. Is there a helpline I can call?
Sorry, do you think as I'm like, do I, and in this current state, is this someone that will sit down for domestic violence and me I cause? Eh? Do you think so? I'm going to go and wash my face now. And I hope that the world never sees me like this ever again.
Me too. I hope so, because you can call police on you.
Yes, because actually this is the real domestic violence. This is the real domestic violence.
You know they had that to turn us gender war. I'm out.
You're very stupid. We filmed 2 videos today. We filmed Truth or Drink, and you guys, that video is freaky. And I drank because like, but it's funny because I actually feel out of it. I feel better. I feel better now.
When you stay hydrated.
Are you serious? So all I have to do is drink water. Fine. Okay.
Lots of water.
Please let me go and clean my face before I'll have too many clips of me looking like this. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye. Hey guys, so what was I used to open this thing now? So I told you guys that I was going to do a an unboxing and a reaction on my last vlog. So here it goes. So I went to a makeup fair. If you've not watched my last vlog, go and watch it right now. Like, okay, finish this one, then go and watch it. Anyways, I went to a makeup fair and I purchased the Stanley palette. I'm so happy. I mean, I got other things. I got the Zikel foundation, and I also got Nuban Beauty like setting powder. But this is the style of the show, baby. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is what this palette has been out for a while, but like, yeah. So this is what the back looks like. I like the texture of the pack. Like, is this not satisfying? What the hell? Oh, an orgasm! Oh my god! And there's her name here, Lydia Stanley. Okay. The moment I've been waiting for. I know I'm dramatic, like, but like, you know, just the fact that Lydia made this palette, like, I was like, give me a minute. Breathe it out. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so this was not planned nor coordinated, I promise. But I have butterflies on my nails. What the fuck? The palette, I just love like the packaging, how it looks. I like that it's very original from Zikel, because Zikel does a lot of copy products. Then something else I got at the fair was the Zikel Even True Pro Coverage High Definition Matte Polish Foundation with SPF 30, and I got it in shade 15. This is Zikel Tan. Obviously this is not my shade, duh, but I bought it for my kids because yeah. Another thing I got was this Nuban Beauty setting, sorry, I had brain fart. It was this oil control setting powder by Nuban Beauty. So you open it up like this and then the powder is inside. So Nuban Beauty, I bought this shade in the shade Mustard. I'm just saying, it's so small. Like, their products are so small for the price. This is what it looks like. Is it the powder puff that made the 5,000? It came with the powder puff though. This is it. It came with the powder puff. I like how the powder is very fine, feels very fine. Anyways, so I'm done with that, and I don't know, I'm just like chilling with my friend. I will let you guys know if there's anything, okay? Bye.